Bishop Stort quicker ahead of schedule than what we anticipated?
Definitely 11:29. We're at the Maltins. Humans have been making beer here since 6000 BC apparently. They've been making beer here since 6000 BC apparently. Yeah.
Japanese people around,
Hmm?
Japanese and Koreans.
Yeah, because of the airport, I guess. That's a naive comment, but you know what I mean. Here we are at the very first lock. Can't remember the name, have to look it up when I get home. The first of 15. We're just readjusting the gear in our very small kayak. Just so you know, it's 28 degrees and it feels it.
So, I can't put it under.
Hang on, I'm just videoing. You'll have to paddle on your own. Definitely the easiest way.
Have fun.
See ya. Okay. Fudge cakes. It's still out of the water actually. It's still out. Video. It's normally in there, but then you can't hear the sound so well. Quick stop off somewhere.
About 13 kilometres.
Yep, 27.2 miles to go. A chimney in the distance, because that's Harlow town.
That's a chimney, that looks like a power plant.
It's known for its power plant, I think. Love it. Yeah, this is very tunnel. They're chestnuts again, yeah. They've been around a long time, those have.
How they gravitate towards the river. And it's almost, look at them, they're almost falling into the river, those ones up there.
Yeah. You'll probably find that we're in the green, if you see this where we are from the air, this is probably green compared with everything around, which is probably just yellow. It's the fields and things. Look at that. Just got to do an aerial shot. I always love looking up through the trees.
Didn't help the flow of going one log.
No, not for long. Wow, this is very similar to the River Mole, this feels, down at Box Hill Way. One of the best trips. Yeah, I mean, if you can eat seaweed, then...
Accessible canal boat trips.
And here we are.
In Harlow town.
There's a friend of yours over there, look.
Oh,
Hello. Yeah, in the pea green soup. Here we are. In Harlow town. It's obviously cooling off. It looks like you can walk on it, doesn't it?
yeah, well, the ducks just did almost.
Yeah. Oh, there's still some ducklings down there.
Yeah.
Oh God, it's very late in the year. Hello. Oh, there's a fast train.
That must have come through.
Yeah, it must have. Just didn't notice it.
I can still feel the stinging nettle slightly now.
Oh yeah. Here we are at Harlow. I think this is Burnt Mill Lock. I think Harlow Town locks are still a little further on.
Look at the bottom of the boat.
Yeah.
Hope we don't have to get out when we get out.
Yeah. Yeah, we'd have to leave it in a shed or something. That's the wetlands down there, but it's not very wet.
Right.
So we're on the we think we're on the last lock before stopping
To Royden?
for the evening. Royden, yeah.
Yep.
This is definitely, we're definitely in Britain because there's a Union Jack flying, or whatever it's called. Danger, no navigation. That's tempting, isn't it?
River's getting wider.
Here we are, day 2, River Lee. We've done a few locks already on the River Lee. There's one behind me. It's Mr. Moisey. Doing all the work as usual. And it's still quite countrified here, still quite countrified. Sun's beginning to rise now. Morning, Mr. Magpie. There's your wife and children.
But we've got breakfast behind us.
That's true. Quick stop off at Broxbourne Rowing Club. And now only 19.2. Here we are at Broxbourne. Not sure of the actual lock number. Just been across the road to that Poundland over there. Stock up on some food. Not that we really needed it, but ah!
First time we've been to see the pond. I didn't put my head down.
Here we are on the reservoir stretch of the River Lee with the huge pylons, or better known as the Eiffel Towers of the Lee Valley. We've just come round this really nasty rock with concrete. It's all concrete, which is not nice for putting in, all getting out, wrecks the fingers.
Why the hell is he putting that rubbish bins? There's nothing there.
I did see some quite big rubbish bins, but somewhere back on the right, but they looked like they were part of the this is a very industrial area here. Yeah, because they couldn't have a big kill, because they were going through the narrows, you know, the sandbanks and things. They had those wings on the side instead to stabilise when the sails are up. That's the idea. They are effectively the keel.
Charity type things. Olympic Centre.
Yeah, coming up on the Olympic Park main stadium.
It says West Ham or something like that. I don't know.
Yeah, they've given it up.
They've given it up.
Yeah, it costs too much. So it's the bill is being picked up by, God, I can't remember who now. Some council. It's got to pick it up. Hackney, presumably. You just see Canary Wharf in the distance. just showing the Limehouse cut, and we are in the thickest green weed you have ever seen in your life. Look at it. You almost feel like you could walk on it, but for the moorhen.
This is fudging hard work on my own. Normally it's hard work. This is fudging hard work.
In the green scene, green pea soup slime. My watch says 1 mile to go. If we can. So here we are, finally, at Limehouse. On my right hand. On my right hand, yeah, I'll get out of that one. Yeah. Yeehaw. Yes, I did think about getting out on the pontoons over there, but
You can't get out.
there was a gate, yeah. I wondered if some... No, I thought someone nice would might let us out over there, because that's a nasty bit of wall. And here we are, somehow or other we made it. I'll do some more video in a second. The less wet it is, the better, because it's going to weigh so much with extra water in it.